Welcome to Market Peeker. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies. You've heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum, but did you know there are thousands of others? Let's explore the major players and what makes them unique. First up, Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency. Created in 2009, it's often called digital gold because it's seen as a store of value. Bitcoin focuses on security and decentralization, making it the foundation of the crypto world. Next is Ethereum, known for its smart contracts. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum isn't just a currency. It's a platform for building decentralized apps. It's like the tech backbone for a new kind of internet. Then there are altcoins, which are cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. For example, Ripple or XRP is designed for fast, low-cost international payments, while Litecoin is often called the silver to Bitcoin's gold for its faster transaction speeds. Cardano and Solana focus on scalability and energy efficiency, attracting developers. Each cryptocurrency serves a different purpose, from privacy coins like Monero to meme coins like Dogecoin that started as a joke but gained massive popularity. Let us know your favorite cryptocurrency in the comments.